Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Murder Mystery Kit is probably one of the most exciting ways to spend an evening with friends and family. Imagine transforming your living room into a crime scene, where everyone becomes a suspect, and the goal is to unravel a thrilling mystery. These kits offer a unique blend of entertainment, encouraging interaction, and teamwork as you delve into a world of intrigue and suspense. Number 5. Unsolved Case Files, Ashcroft, Harmony, Cold Case Game. Step into the shoes of a cold case detective. This game provides the original case file from a murder that happened decades ago. Can you solve the crime? To solve the case, you'll need to find 3 clues. First, prove why the convicted man is innocent. Then, disprove a suspect's alibi, and finally, identify the killer. This will challenge your investigative skills. The game includes over 50 pieces of evidence. These include photos, documents, and reports. Everything about this mystery game is fiction, but it will feel real. You'll need to visit an online answer page to progress. This requires you to prove you've cracked the case. If you don't have the answer, you can keep investigating. This is perfect for individuals, couples, or groups. It's a great way to escape boring date nights. Treat yourself, your partner, or your friends to this experience. What we like? This game lets you step into the shoes of a cold case detective. You'll need to solve 3 different mysteries to crack the case. If you love a challenge and enjoy piecing together clues, this is the perfect choice. It provides a unique and engaging experience for those who love to solve mysteries. What people say. The quality is also very good. The photos come in photo quality and each suspect talk different. It's a very good game. We really like this feature. We tried other subscription ones but they were nuts. This much better. It was fun, top quality materials, and overall impressive set. Number 4. Hunt a Killer, Death at the Dive Bar Murder Mystery. Welcome to the Old Scratch Tavern, where a murder has just taken place. The owner, Nick Webster, is dead, and it's up to you to figure out what happened. This immersive game lets you step into the shoes of a detective. You'll examine files and clues to solve the crime. Work alone or with friends to uncover the truth. Can you piece together the evidence and catch the killer before it's too late? This is the perfect gift for anyone who loves true crime. It's designed for ages 14 and up and is a great way to spend an evening. A small-town bar owner is dead, and it was ruled an accident. But one of his employees suspects foul play and needs your help to prove it. This game is a surefire way to level up game night. It's rated 1-5 difficulty, making it ideal for beginners. This investigation delivers 45 to 60 minutes of gameplay and can be played in a single sitting. It keeps everyone on edge. What we like? This game offers an immersive investigation experience. It's designed for beginners and can be played in a single sitting. If you are looking for a quick and engaging mystery game for your next game night, this is the perfect choice. It's a great way to test your detective skills. What people say. The game is super immersive and well put together. It really feels like you're a real detective solving a crime. The clues are detailed, the story is engaging, and it kept me thinking the entire time. The game pieces are great quality. The art is amazing. It holds your attention for a long time. Number 3. Murder Mystery Party Underwood Cellars Case File Game. Uncover the mystery of Carrie Underwood's disappearance. This immersive game lets you solve a cold case that has haunted Napa for 2 decades. You'll be challenged to find the killer. Dive into a world of realistic evidence. The kit includes photos, articles, and online hints. It provides everything you need to solve the case. Investigate motive, means, and opportunity. This game mirrors a real detective's approach. You'll feel like a true investigator. Discover a favorite among true crime fans since 1985. It's perfect for a dinner party or solo investigation. Enjoy a thrilling experience with friends and family. See how the game works. Check out the video to see the game in action. It's a fun and engaging experience. Discover the entire collection of Murder Mystery Party games. There are many other exciting cases to solve. Find your next mystery adventure. What we like? This game provides realistic evidence to solve a 20-year-old murder. It mirrors a real detective's approach. If you're a true crime enthusiast who enjoys a deep dive into a case, you should consider this. It's a great way to experience the thrill of solving a cold case. What people say. This was well thought out and creatively put together. They are just challenging enough and perfect for a sleuthy group. The material inside feels and looks well made as well. Number 2. Unsolved Case Files, Buddy Edmunds Cold Case. Step into the shoes of a cold case detective. You'll be tasked with solving a murder from decades ago, using only the original case file. Can you uncover the truth? To solve this mystery, you must find 3 clues. First, prove the convicted woman's innocence. Then, disprove a suspect's alibi. Finally, identify the clue that closes the case. This game includes over 50 pieces of evidence. You'll examine photos, documents, reports, and more. Everything is fictional, but it will feel like a real investigation. To progress, you'll use online answer pages. You must prove you've cracked the case. If you're wrong, you can keep investigating without spoilers. This is perfect for individuals, couples, or groups. It's a great way to escape boring date nights or liven up your next gathering. Treat yourself and your friends to an unforgettable experience. What we like. This game allows you to become a cold case detective. You'll need to solve 3 mysteries to crack the case. If you enjoy a challenge and love piecing together clues, you should consider this. It offers a unique and engaging experience for those who love to solve mysteries. What people say. This is our 3rd one by this company, super fun, takes hours and really makes you think hard. There is a lot to go through as well. You will literally think everyone could have done it. Paper quality is great and feels realistic. Great quality products. Unlimited number of players, all can contribute at their skill level. A great group activity. It is clear that they conducted their research when developing these games. Each one we've gotten has proven to be different enough in the format and types of clues given that it doesn't feel repetitive and proves challenging, but not frustratingly so, each time. Number 1. Hunt a Killer, Body on the Boardwalk Mystery Game. Welcome to the world of mystery. This game invites you to solve a thrilling murder case. You'll step into the shoes of a detective to uncover the truth. A young woman's life was cut short at the amusement park. Her boyfriend is the main suspect, but is he the real killer? It's up to you to find out. Examine forensic files, photos, and personal items. Work alone or with friends to decode clues. Can you solve the mystery and catch the killer? This game is perfect for a murder mystery party. It's designed for ages 14 and up, with a difficulty rating of 2 out of 5. Get ready for an immersive experience. The gameplay lasts 45 to 60 minutes, perfect for a single session. If you love solving crimes, this is the game for you. Get ready to close the case. Want more? Hunt a Killer offers many more mysteries. These story-driven games will make your party legendary. Dive into a world of intrigue and suspense. What we like. This game lets you catch the killer by studying the evidence. It's designed for a murder mystery party. If you are looking for a fun and engaging game for your next gathering, you should consider this. It's a great way to bring true crime to life. What people say. The game is incredibly immersive and keeps you on your toes as you piece together clues to solve the mystery. The story is well written, the evidence feels realistic, and the puzzles are challenging without being frustrating. The creators really outdid themselves with this one. There's so much creativity packed into the evidence and story, making it an immersive experience from start to finish. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.